today I'm going to show you how to scan a document to a PDF using your iPad. So you need to make sure that you have the Files app. I'm going to click on that, and then on the Files app you need to make sure that Google Drive is also open. So I'm going to click on Google Drive because I want to make sure that when I take the scan of my document that it goes straight to Google Drive. And if I want, I can actually create a folder where the document will go right into. On the upper right corner, you will see that icon of a folder with a plus sign on top of it. I'll click on that, and I'm just going to name it Practice. Done. And then I need to make sure that it's open so that the file goes straight to that folder. On the left panel, you will see a circle with 3 dots. I'm going to click on that, and there's the option to scan documents. So I'm going to click on scan documents, and it looks like it will pull up the camera on your iPad. Now notice on the right side there is an auto and manual option. I will choose manual so that it doesn't take a picture just like that, and I want to take control of the picture that I'm going to take. Okay, now notice that it just picked up the 9+ on my picture. I really want a picture of the entire page, so I can actually drag the circles right here all the way to the corners. I can even adjust that, and just for the interest of time, I'm going to just do this really quickly. I am going to click Keep Scan, or on the lower left you also have the capability to retake. I'm going to click on Keep Scan, and I'm going to click Save. So as you can see, it went straight to the folder. You know that it is in that folder that you created if you see the title up top. You see where it says Practice, and anything that you scan scans into a PDF.